Dear students, good morning. Today I am going to handle the next topic, that is digital image representation. So in this topic we are going to see the following things. What is image representation? What are the types available in image representation? And the following types, that is 3D pictorial representation, 2D pictorial representation, and finally 2D numerical representation. So all these things we are going to see in this session. So first we can say what is digital image representation. So generally we will capturing the image using camera. The output will be represented in any form. So to say about in detail, let us consider f of s comma t. That is a continuous image that is captured or sensed from the object or scene. So actually it is an analog that is continuous in nature, which is then sampled and quantized, and it is converted to a digital image f of s comma y, which contains m rows, n columns. So it can be represented in three ways. The converted digital image can be represented in three ways. One is 3D pictorial representation, next one 2D pictorial representation, and third one 2D numerical representation. So like that, the image what we are captured by a digital camera will generate a digital image, and it can be stored and it can be represented. So now first we can see what is this 3D pictorial representation. So regarding this 3D pictorial representation, it is represented which has three axes, that is x, y and z axis. Here the x and y are spatial coordinates defining pixel location, and z being the value of the image pixel intensity. So otherwise we can say it refers the gray levels for the pixel, gray level of the particular location pixel. So in the way we can represent a image, that is 3D image, so that we call it as 3D representation. Next we can see 2D pictorial representation. Here the image is represented the function of x comma y, only two dimensions, in two dimensions. That's why we are referring on spatial coordinates. Then what about that? Is that here we will have a constant intensity, that is or three equally spaced intensity values, that is 0, 0.5 and 1. So this is another way of representation, that is 2D pictorial representation. So next we can see the third pictorial representation, that is 2D numerical representation. Here the image is represented in the form of numerical values as an array, that is m cross n. So instead of picture elements pixels, here the picture element value will be represented. So this is a third way of representation. So like that, in digital image representation we are having three types of image representation. One is 3D pictorial representation, and next one 2D pictorial representation, and third one 2D numerical representation. So I think we have got an idea about digital image representation. So regarding this topic, if you have any doubts, you can contact my WhatsApp number. Thank you.